Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today the topic is the cleaning of utensils and what is the method of cleaning of utensil in the use in the homeopathic laboratory. So let's study this topic. Cleaning of utensils. Maintenance of the scrupulous cleanliness in the laboratory cannot be overemphasized. This section deals with the cleaning of laboratory apparatus. Like general rules of cleaning is that all utensils should be washed thoroughly immediately after use. Simple cleaning can be made with the soda and hot water. Never wash vessels with the metal with acids. Hydrochloric acid or nitric acid, aqueous or concentrated solution of potassium bichromate of concentrated sulfuric acid is effective in removing dirt and other stain from the glass vessel. Methylated spirit, ether, chloroform, benzene can be used to remove greasy or oily materials. Cleaning of the glass apparatus. All glass apparatus like flasks, burettes, pipettes, test tube, etc. must be perfectly clean. Otherwise, result will be unreliable. A common test of the cleanness of glass apparatus is that after being filled with the distilled water, when the water is withdrawn, only an unbroken film of water should be remain. If the water collects drop, the vessel is dirty. Many commercial available detergents are manufactured with the special formulation of cleaning laboratory glassware. Laboratory stock solution of a mild and inexpensive detergent can be made. It may be consist of 10% solution in distilled water. For cleaning a burette, 2 ml of stock solution is diluted with 50 ml of distilled water and poured into a burette. It is allowed to stand for 30 to 60 seconds. The detergent is then ran off and the burette is risen 3 times with the tap water. Lubricant for the glass stopcocks. The object of lubricating the stopcock of a burette is prevent the sticking of freezing and ensure the smoothness in action. The simplest lubricant is pure Vaseline, but is rather soft and unless used sparingly portion for the grease may readily become trapped in the point where the jet is joining off at the barrel of the stopcock. Cleaning of the platinum apparatus. All the platinum waste should be kept clean, polished. If platinum crucible is stained, a small quantity of sodium carbonate should be fused in the crucible and the molten solid poured out of the slab. The residual solid is dissolved out with the water and vessel with digested with concentrated hydrochloric acid. Cleaning of the porous crucible. A new crucible should be washed with concentrated hydrochloric acid then with the distilled water. Cleaning of the mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle are very commonly used in the homeopathic laboratory for pulverizing drug substances and for trituration. For the cleaning of the mortar and pestle, there are cleaning of porcelain mortar and pestle. It is washed with the boiling water. When cool, it is raised with the distilled water using a brush. It is then dried thoroughly by heating. Iron or stainless steel mortar and pestle at the first is scrubbed in under the running water and using a hard brush, then rise with the warm water and distill water successfully using a soft brush. It is dried and cleaned cloth and alcohol to prevent rusting. The cloth must be frequent laundered. The cleaning of glass and mortar and pestle. The first wash with the hot water and then with cold water while rubbing with a hard brush. Dry under high temperature while drying. A quantity of strong alcohol is burned inside the mortar. Take care in the handle with pestle. Cleaning of spatula. Horn spatula is washed under the running water and it is then washed with the alcohol and wiped dry with a clean cloth. The cloth should be frequently laundered. Horn spatula should not be washed with hot water. It must be kept away from the sodium carbonate. Mortar, pestle, and spatula must be cleaned with well before they use for another medicine. Cleaning of tincture presses. The component of the press are separated from each wash thoroughly under running water. It is then washed with the distilled water and thoroughly dried. Cleaning of wooden instrument. Modern laboratories seldom use wooden instrument. If used, must be scrubbed with a hard brush under the running water. And then it rinses with the soft brush in warm water. Finally, cleaned with distilled water and dried after cleaning. Cleaning of a percolator, clean it after every preparation. Wash it several times with hot water using a brush. Then rinse with purified water followed by alcohol and dry with moderate temperature. Cleaning of water. Keep the bottles in cold water for 6 to 7 hours, removing the filth using a hard brush. After removing the filth, wash with the warm water and rub with a soft brush. Wash now with the purified water followed by rinsing with the strong alcohol. Expose the bottle to sun for dryness. Cleaning of fials and glass. Wash with the several times with hot water using a fial brush, and after washing, rinse with the alcohol and dry at moderate temperature. Hope you all understand the method of cleaning of utensils in the homeopathy pharmacy lab. Thank you. Dhanyavad.